speakers, a record attendance of 922, which is up probably 12 or so % from last year, over 350 companies, 75 corporate and media sponsors, 50 members of the press, and representing 25 countries, including many from Middle East and Asia and Europe. So we're very grateful for all of you coming. This is a unique event that brings together a wide cross-section of industry, of manufacturing, of different verticals, suppliers, media, and standards and technical organizations. And we share in common just the desire to advance our industry. Please get connected. We have Wi-Fi here. The network name is ARC Forum. The password is ARC Forum. Most important, we have an app on for iOS and Android that you can download from using, and the app is called ARC 2018. That app is a guide for you to the event, and it has the agenda, all the information you need for the sessions and the speakers and the sponsor information. It also has feedback. Other channels in which you can get in touch are the hashtag for the event, which is ARC Forum, the ARC LinkedIn page, and our website, arcweb.com. Last but not least, I'd like to tell you a little bit about the programs we have for you in this forum. We have 6 tracks, which is a record, and we're going to cover a number of programs. This room will be divided into 2 for the afternoon sessions. Will be track 1 to my right, your left, and track 2 over here. The other tracks will be in the rear behind us. These tracks will focus on issues that many of you care about, and there are brief descriptions of every track in the program, so please take a look and find out which sessions you plan to attend, and I encourage you to network with colleagues and meet people as much as you can. The next 3 days are a great opportunity for us to share ideas, to meet new people, to meet people from different industries. So please get involved, ask questions, and meet as many people as you can while you are here, especially perhaps the people next to you at your table or chair. In terms of our speakers or panelists, we have 48 sessions over 4 days, 180 speakers, and you can get the info from our mobile app. Please consider nominating people that you know or your own company to present next year. We're always looking for cutting-edge kind of presentations and information to share with this meeting. Oops, did I go 2 slides? Oops, excuse me. Here we go. Speakers and presentation videos will be available from the ARC website in about 4 weeks with speaker approval. These are valuable resources that enable you to share your experience with other people. We've had over 400,000 views of videos from past presentations and thousands of downloads. So you can also subscribe to our ARC YouTube channel to watch these videos. Important that the feedback from the session is available in the app. So please give feedback on the sessions. Trust me, your feedback is very appreciated. ARC takes very good care of that feedback. We review it as a group, good, bad, and every part of it. So please give feedback on the sessions. We encourage you to ask questions at the panels. Please ask a question. If there is a question in your mind, probably it's in someone else's as well. So please feel free to ask questions. This is an accepting group for questions. Finally, if there are any other questions on forum logistics, please see anyone from ARC or visit the ARC registration table outside the hall. Now I'd like to thank our sponsors. Our sponsors are the people that make this event possible. Our platinum sponsors this year are the Fieldcom Group and the OPC Foundation and Microsoft. Our global sponsors who sponsor events and ARC events in different parts of the world: Bentley, Siemens, Wind River, and our gold sponsors, ABB, Aspen Tech, Emerson, GE, HEMA, Honeywell, Inductive Automation, L&T Technology Services, SAP, Schneider Electric, Stratus, UL, and last but not least, YOKOGAWA. Thank you very much. These are the people and the organizations that help make this possible. In addition, we have a large number of silver sponsors. We're very grateful to them too. And if you don't know these companies, some of these will be very familiar, some of them may not be. Take time to meet them in the hall and understand their business and what they do. We have a number of industry association sponsors who work for this industry and contribute to this meeting, for which we're very grateful. And a number of media sponsors, and this is a good collection of media, so there's a good number of them to meet here. Finally, please, as a courtesy to your neighbors, please mute your cell phone. And as a courtesy to the speakers, perhaps pay less attention to it, because we have some excellent speakers right now. So I'd like to introduce our first keynote speaker today. We have two keynotes in this morning's session. Our first keynote speaker is Kenny Warren, who is Vice President of Engineering for ExxonMobil Research and Engineering, as it's popularly known, EMRE, within the organization. There's probably not an organization in the process automation industry or in the process industries that has made as many waves through out-of-the-box thinking in the last few years as the organization that Kenny is the engineering leader for. Kenny leads this organization with offices in Texas, in Singapore, Malaysia, Canada, and the UK. And the organization provides support to ExxonMobil refining and chemical plants worldwide. Part of that role is supporting new technology deployment for both plant automation and plant equipment. Kenny has 37 years of experience with ExxonMobil, and he's held a number of technical, supervisory, and managerial positions in refining, in supply, in fuels and lubes, and in marketing. And he's worked for ExxonMobil in Texas, in Illinois, in Virginia, and in Brussels. So please welcome to the ARC Forum, Kenny Warren from ExxonMobil. Thank you.